And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 320. Let's go over the preferences under image processing. Hit again edit preferences, and there you should find it. First option is for select subject and remove background, and here we have cloud and device. And this can also be found if you activate one of these selection tools right here. So the object selection tool, quick selection tool, something like that. And then you will find it in the top menu. The cloud option should be more stable and it should actually give you better results. So especially when it comes to hair details, when you want to select fur of an animal, stuff like that. Device on the other hand is a little bit quicker. So if you're just creating a draft, if you want to have a quick edit, this is the option to choose. By default, I would advise you to use cloud. The other three options, they all have the same values, so faster or more stable. The selections processing, this controls how AI-powered selection tools process data. Depending on if you've got it selected, it will affect the object selection tool. Here again, faster is basically the same as the device option. This is for offline capability. And it's also the case that this is more private because your images will not be uploaded and then processed in the cloud. But cloud in general gives you better edge detection and more accurate subject recognition. This will lead to cleaner masks, better results. So just like with the overall select subject and remove background cloud option. Second is remove to processing. This controls how the remove tool processes removals. Same here, can set it to faster or more stable. And the final one is for enhanced detail processing. This improves fine detail detection. It's very important for hair, fur, and thin edges. By default, these three options will be set to faster, but if you want to have the best results, set them all to stable and make sure that cloud is active. And these are the preferences under image processing in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.